Welcome to Oriflame Skin Research Institute in Stockholm, Sweden. We begin our tour here in the stem cell room, where our scientists are in search of the next generation of active ingredients for our skincare products. To do this, they use a state-of-the-art instrument platform to extract the essence from dry or raw plant material. Another method is to use plant stem cells created right here in the laboratory, which produces extremely concentrated and powerful activities. This is the analytical room, where each extraction is analyzed in depth to identify each of its components. This provides information on the chemical profile of the extract, its complexity and safety profile. This is the area where we perform primary activity testing to identify the active components of the extract and to get an indication of their activity. You are now at the histology station, where we use state-of-the-art testing equipment to visualize the results from the biological testing of cells. Here, we can identify anti-aging proteins such as collagen to ensure that our active ingredients are having a positive effect. Once satisfied with the results performed on skin cells, we begin the process of testing the selected active ingredients on human skin tissue. By testing on real skin, we can analyze and confirm that the active ingredients are reaching the intended skin layers and giving the intended effect. It's now time to enter the product development phase, and to do so, let's take a walk through our research and development facility in Dublin, Ireland. We start here in the innovation room with a product concept. Here, our experienced team brainstorms all aspects of the product, from ingredients and textures to potential claims and benefits. You are now in the innovation booth, where our scientists begin researching and selecting raw material ingredients. A focus area here is sustainability, ensuring the ingredients have low environmental impact, are responsible sourced, and meet Oriflame's strict code of ethics. They also make sure that every ingredient is safe to use and complies with all major international regulations. Welcome to the laboratory. Here, all the individual ingredients for our formulation are first mixed and then finished by adding the active ingredient and a fragrance extract to send the formulation if desired. This is the pilot plant, where we transform our laboratory innovations into robust, commercially viable products using small-scale equipment that is similar to our factories. Here, we identify the optimal manufacturing parameters for each formulation and share this information with our factories to ensure smooth production. This process helps us to develop world-class products for you. You are now back in the laboratory at the stability workstation, where we ensure that each new product will remain in a stable condition for the period of its intended shelf life. Here, each formulation undergoes 24-week accelerated stability testing before it receives a final stamp of approval. We also perform packaging testing to ensure that products are safe and functional, and that there is no incompatibility interaction between the formulation and the packaging. Here in the microbiology room, our team of microbiologists conduct multiple tests on every formulation to ensure your product is safe to use and has a desirable shelf life. These tests include reviewing raw materials and checking that each formulation contains the correct preservatives in the right amount. They also ensure that our testing methods and conditions are at the highest standards of quality in microbiological safety. Here, we evaluate and substantiate our claims using real people, in real conditions, with real results, and verify that each product delivers its intended benefits. Selecting from a database of around 6,000 panelists, we are able to test on every type of skin. We also collaborate with clinical research organizations in local markets to enable us to test on different skin ethnicities. In our derm evaluation and photobiology suites, we use 2D and 3D imaging systems to perform advanced skincare studies. This cutting-edge technology helps us to discover the secrets of the skin and develop the skincare innovations of tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We hope you've enjoyed it. To discover more about Oriflame's innovative skincare solutions, speak to your consultant or visit oriflame.com.